Alright, so here's 3 new sounds I've learned today. First, it's this one. My little brother said it sounded like a steam train when I beatbox with it like this. Then I learned this. It's pretty similar to this sound, which I used to do when I was younger, and I pretended that I was on a motorcycle, you know. I would do the like that. I'm basically doing that, but with the tongue here on my lips. So, and I started getting better at doing this. Like, and this sound as well. I'm basically doing, but with my soft palate raised up, like when I do hollow claws. That's what I, but like this. Or animals. I don't have such good control of the pitch, but anyway, that was it. And don't forget to got it. Sorry, I got saliva on the wrong spot. Hashtag beatbox fail.